Good morning. It's very early in the morning before the crowd gets on the go. This is the Serenade All-Suites Resort in Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. This is an all-adults resort. Clips will be short, sweet, and to the point. Enjoy. Here's the main lobby when you come in. Guest services is right here. That's where you check in. When you get your Air Canada rep or whoever your rep is, that's where you go see them. You can also book excursions in there. You come straight down through this lobby and you will see almost the entire layout of the resort. Basically, you have a bunch of buildings here. I think there's about 4 and a bunch of buildings there. And this goes straight down to the beach, which is right at the end of the line here. There's 3 pools. This is the quietest one. The next one to that is a little noisier, but not bad at all. And the last one down is one with the pool bar. And it has the most people into it daytime, and probably a touch loud, but not bad at all. Of course, these rooms facing the pool are the pool view, and you also get to see the ocean if you have your room high enough. Same goes for this side. The garden view is on the back side of this building. On the back side of this building, you see the other resort, which is the family side of the resort. Family side cannot have access to this side. Okay, before we leave the lobby entirely, there are a couple things you would need to know here, because this is the place where most people hang out in the nighttime. There's a bar here with all natural juices and use natural ingredients. There's a cafe here, a coffee place. This is where everybody comes in the morning to get their coffee. There's another bar here, and although it's dark here now, this is the piano bar. And this is where people hang out nighttime mostly. There's live music every night. Now back to the front of the lobby again. The restaurants are laid out right here and they're downward. Your morning and evening buffets are going to be in the restaurant over here. And I gotta say, we've been on 10 resorts now. I don't think I've seen a buffet that was as good. Your lunch buffet is going to take place in the restaurant below this. This is an Italian restaurant.
Book your Japanese hibachi restaurant early, as it's something you won't want to miss. The most talented and energetic chef we've ever seen, and he really involved the table crew. Mel caught the egg toss, and he got me up cooking food and performing what was supposed to be a chef's sexy wiggle. Probably not.
Okay, let's head down to the beach, and it's just a straight run. That way or that way. So this is the adult section from here over, and you will need to come early in the morning to reserve a seat. It will be gone by 7 or 7:30. I'll have the huts. And it's very clean. You see the workers are cleaning up the kelp as we speak. Virtually no kelp. So they put a breakwater all the way along here, and that keeps the water nice and hot. And if you look along the water, there's this lime green light section. This is where everybody hangs out, because you can literally walk from the beach all the way to that breakwater, and it's only up to your waist. Some places it's only up to your knees. Security that patrols the beach here and keeps the solicitors down here. They never seem to go back in amongst the chairs. And of course, like the Dominican beaches everywhere, they're all pure white sand. This is a matter of interest. There's our beach. Right here is a marina where you can go swimming with the dolphins, and I think there's seals and all that kind of stuff there. Little marine park time setup. All right, a quick look at the room. Of course, your arm bracelet is your key to get in. This is a junior suite, pool view, basic room. Nice, got your own section here with the mirror and the sink. Your toilet and stuff is here. You have 2 showers. One there that's kind of lit up more than this one here. They both work very well, lots of hot water. Back to the main space, and we've been living here for a week, so excuse the mess. Got your safe, of course. Here, you would typically get a king-size bed and a day bed, but we have 3 of us staying here, so we have 2 queen-size beds. Nice spacious rooms. Nice and tidy. They come in every day, of course, and clean it up. And it's really nice. Right off of our balcony here with this pool view. We love this, to be able to come out here and just look at this. Not only is it a pool view, but you can also see the ocean right here. So if you're on a higher level, you get a bit of a bonus. That's the noisiest pool, we'll call it. That's the medium pool. And that's the quietest one up there. Chairs and tables are on the front deck, and there's a place to dry your towels and stuff there. Now, if you're into the swim out pool next to your room, this is what they'll look like, and they're on both sides, all like this. We're actually on the 2nd floor. There's Mel. Signage is good. Tells you where all the rooms are, plus all the other amenities. Now let's take a run up to the Sunset Lounge. Pretty cool. 4th floor. So this is what our resort looks like from up here. 1, 2, and the 3rd pool is up by the lobby. The sun rises over there, and the sun sets there. Ironically though, this place closes at 6, which means you can't see the sunset. Just a note on the 2nd pool, just pop back here for a second. It's right next to the Italian restaurant. This is also a place where they have entertainment. Some nights, we only had it one night when we were here. There are a ton of workers out here daytime. The grounds are immaculate. I've never seen a resort that was so neat and tidy, and it is new, and all the vegetation is lush. There's no garbage around. Oh, by the way, these things are included in the pool packages. You don't need anything special to use those. Well guys, that's it. It's day 8, the end of our vacation here. We've had a great time. Would I recommend this resort? Well, I think I'd recommend it to my friends. If I recommend it to my friends, then I'd certainly recommend it to everybody else. The resort is new, it's clean, it's structured, it's easy to access everything. The staff are nice, the food is amazing. So I'm en route back to Labrador, Canada, where it's going to be 50 or 60 degrees colder than what it is here. If you guys want to follow along, I'll see you on the next video. And until the next video, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.